Just woke up. You know why we're here. We gotta do this. Unboxing. Let's go. Good morning, you peoples. People. We are unboxing the Scarlet One Premium Pack Collection. Let's see how this is sealed. Oh, box feels so good. I don't want to damage it. All right, let's go. The last promo box for my collection, which I never opened up yet, but I opened up every single promotion one, but this one. So here's what we have. Beautiful box. Beautiful box. Might have to keep the box. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Comes with the cards, the coins, another box. Oh, wait, we got a playmat. We got a playmat. Oh, and I will use this playmat. Here, let's see if we can see this. You got the 3 promo up here. Beautiful cards. But let's move this out the way. And let's check out this beautiful 151 playmat. Nice. Very nice. We will be opening on this. Don't have a Pokemon playmat yet, but this is the first. This is beautiful, beautiful. Come on, guys. They wrote us so good. We got tucked in. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. It'd be amazing if I could pull a God Pack. Pull the God Pack, guys. Woo. Hi. Okay. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Scissors looks fine. One to the front. Ooh, a water. Cosmic you can go here. We will move it to the side. Eox are better. One to the front. Oh, 01. I needed this to complete the set. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Alright, guys, alright. Let's go, let's go. Grass. EX are better. Come on, guys. I see something shiny. Lick a tongue and Mewtwo. Zubat, Tentacruel, Gyarados, can I get a, can this be a God box? It'd be so amazing for a God box. Jigglypuff, Staryu, Rhydon, Nidoran, Kabutops, Cubone, Blastoise EX! Yes! That's a banger. You guys are gonna be in sleeves in a bit. Let's hopefully make some money back from this ridiculous price for these UPC. Daisy help. Spend on that. Trio. Open in love. Open in love. Come on. Picks. Red Dash. Ooh, I didn't have this. I needed this. Jinx. Okay, I needed this too. Looking good, people. Psyduck, I don't have this. What? Okay, great. Flareon, great. Fighting. Oh, right! We pulled a Charizard! Woo! Alright. I'm happy. Finally. Can we get another one? It'd be great. So some gold. Jolton, Sandslash, and Dill. Come on, guys. I need something amazing to happen. Hypno, Wartortle, Poliwrath, Fable. Whoa! We pulled Erica's invitation! Woo! Let's go! All right. I pulled Erica's invitation. This is a banger pack. Oh, Ivysaur. Chansey. All right. Fire. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Putops. Let's go. That's good. Electrode. Okay, here we go. Ah. Abra, Drowsy, Beedrill. Comes the last pack magic. Come on, good luck. There you go. Voltor, Krabby, Sandshrew, Seal, Big Air Balloon, Primate, Farl, Slowpoke, Seja, and Kabutops. What a great pull. But let's check out the promos. How do I take the promos out of this? Here goes the promos. The Mew, Gold Mew, and the promo Mew, Dark Mew. Ooh, these are beautiful. Alright guys, that's it. This was worth the opening. Let's go. Till next time.